turbocharger right here, man.
It was like, let's just set up a car meet because, you know, the females go unnoticed in the car scene for real.
Yeah. You're right.
I like that been lifted up so smooth.
Hey, that's V6 slinger, man.
Hey, I'm about to go in the middle. Them boys playing close to that curb, man. It was only a matter of time before the cops showed up. What it is, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Srtfied and I'm back with another banger for you guys. Y'all already know what's up. If you're not a subscriber to this channel yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button. You know why? Because it don't cost me nothing, it don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button. But as y'all see in the backdrop, we taking over this gas station, y'all. We about to head to this car meet. It's actually a female hosted car meet. You know what I'm saying? They're trying to bring the ladies out tonight, but they open it up to everybody. So doing here, copyright. You know what I'm saying? We out here, man. We definitely out here. I'm gonna show you guys what's out here right now because we got a whole Jeep crew that pulled up. They deep. Yo, it's crazy out here. So I'm gonna try to give y'all a quick rundown, you know what I'm saying? She got the 4Gs on the feet, I see them things, you know what I'm saying? Excuse the dirt on the car in advance, as y'all can see the ground this way. It has been raining like crazy in Jacksonville, man. So nobody literally has been able to wash their cars and clean them up like talking about, unless they literally just got out here or just washed it before they came out here, you know what I'm saying? Copyright. Boys over there, some Jeep boys, you know what I'm saying? They're over here. Pulling up nice. Pulled up heavy, man. They definitely pulled up heavy. I ain't gonna front. They did their thing. We got a Jeep thing too, you know what I'm saying? Street Predators Jacks, we out here. Y'all already know what's up. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it right there. Make sure y'all give up, follow on Instagram right there. But this thing, big pressure. Big pressure. I love that green and orange and black. I love that combo, man. I really love that combo. But her joint pressure, I'm not even gonna lie. Saying we got this Joker thing out here. I'm telling y'all, man, we deep today. Street Predators showing out today. You know what I'm saying? Literally everything y'all seeing right now is Street Predators. You know what I'm saying? We deep. Got the homie out here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all probably seen his face on my Horsepower Wars video down in Orlando, you know what I'm saying? He came down with Mission Flyer. Unfortunately, Mission Flyer couldn't make it, so big shout out to Mission Flyer, man. You got anything to say for my people, man? What we doing tonight, man?
We're all hanging out. Our chapter came from Fort Walton Beach to meet up with you guys here in Jacksonville. Y'all got a lot going on out here and a lot of cars.
Yeah, we deep today.
Oh, yeah.
Deep. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, man. We literally took over the whole back area of this gas station. You know what I'm saying? We got a couple of cars still pulling up that we waiting on right now. So this is about 30 cars right here. About
half just left.
Yeah.
Whole convoy, about 25 Jeeps.
Yeah. But yeah, we out here, man. Just showing y'all around. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, excuse the dirt on people's cars because, you know, rain, it is what it is. Y'all see it. We out here. Y'all see the family out here, man. Got the squad out here. You know what I'm saying? What's happening? Got the gummies on deck. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna ask what kind of gummy bears those are. Man, these edibles ain't
2 hours later.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Pop the hood on this thing. Man, this thing sounds so good. So good. Hey, Joker, give me a quick rev for the video, man. Yeah. I'm telling y'all, man, this thing literally makes my ears bleed. This thing is loud.
Jesus Christ.
You got a true straight pipe, right?
Yeah.
Like nothing, no resonators, no cats, no mid muffler.
Resonators, and it's on E85.
Ooh. Cause you got the ProFlex commander, right?
Yeah.
That's definitely one of the.
I'm going full E.
Got you.
I got the injectors already. I just gotta buy the dual fuel pumps.
Got you. Yeah, man, that ProFlex commander is definitely on my radar for mine.
I love it, bro.
Especially going to Cali, man. Them gas prices.
Yeah, I love it. You can get E out there?
Yeah, it's a couple of gas stations in the area that I'm at. It's actually about, when I Googled it, it was 6 gas stations literally right in the area that I'm gonna be living at that has E just readily available. So, but with the ProFlex, the beauty of it is I can run either, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like when we went to Myrtle Beach, I had to run 93 because they didn't have
they didn't have no,
So, and their car ran just fine.
Yeah. So you on full E right now, right?
Yeah, full E85.
Got you. This thing is
gorgeous, man. All I gotta do is the injectors and the fuel pump, and then I'll be good to go.
Got you. Are you tuned or anything like that?
It's on a 93 tune from
Diablo? Okay. Yeah, this thing is nasty, y'all. I'm telling y'all, on the road, if y'all haven't watched the Daytona truck meet where we did the MOPAR takeover, make sure y'all watch that video, man, because I actually did a rolling shot of this thing and how it sounds on the highway, man. This thing sounds nasty. Nasty. I love this theme, and he has it lowered on I think Ibach or H&R Springs, one of those. They both lower the car just about the same, but the stance on this thing is perfect, man. Perfect. Big dog, you know what I'm saying? He done came out. Go on, shout it out, man. Make sure y'all. Let's go ahead and take a look at it, man. Cause yo, that's my dog, man. And I ain't seen his car in person until today. And with the sun going down right now, I'm glad he got it under the lights so y'all can really see the detail of this wrap, man. Like how he has the shadow carbon fiber in the actual stripes. Like, stay tuned on the channel because I'm not gonna do too much right now. I will be doing a full feature on his thing soon. So stay tuned. Holy crap, I can't even talk today.
That you
But yeah, man, I'm happy you back, man.
Appreciate that, man. I'm happy to be back, man. I'm happy to get this little bit of time.
Yeah, I feel you.
With you, man, before you take off and go to Cali.
Yeah, I'll be back though. I'll definitely be back. You know what I'm saying? At least once a year. I mean, I ain't gonna have the whip, but you know what I'm saying? Unless you two get me to that level, which means subscribe, hit them views.
You definitely on your way.
Yeah. I've definitely made big time progress on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, big time. So, but honey, what's going on? Navy? I'm Navy.
I got out 2 years ago.
Oh, well, thank you for your service.
Mayport and NAS check.
Okay, what's your rate?
LS.
LS? Okay, so you didn't do anything in the military.
Got him!
I'm just messing.
So I had a hard Navy life.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
I was on the Sullivan.
So you was undas?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. That's
What's your job right now?
I'm an AME.
Is that aviation?
Yeah, aviation.
I don't know too much about
aviation.
I was surface.
Okay,
I was
okay.
on DDG,
Okay,
so I don't
okay.
know much about aviation. And you probably don't know much about surface unless you were on.
Well, so I'm FTS, so I would never see a shit. Full-time support.
Oh,
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're reserve, but you're full-time support.
Exactly.
So you're active duty paid.
Yep.
Okay.
I get everything active duty people get except
I got you.
I probably won't see a shit. Well, I've been in 16 and a half years, so
16 and a half?
yeah, 16 and a half. So, oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
If it was on sea duty, you'd look.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
But since I got you on camera, you got anything to shout out where they can find you out on Instagram or anything?
My Instagram is Alejandra.Challenger. I know it's hard to spell, but you'll find it.
You got it on your car or anything like
It's
that?
on my car.
Let's go to your
It's on
car.
my
Let's go ahead and shoot that
I'm
thing.
from Long Beach, Florida. I'm a part of Street Predators for Walton Beach.
Okay,
That's how you spell my name, actually.
Okay, y'all see it right there.
Car.
But yeah, we're gonna show her thing.
2014 Dodge Challenger Redline Edition V6 SXT engine. It's small, but it's still cute.
Hey, you still sliding though. You excited for this girls' car meet tonight?
Yes, I'm gonna roll out and lady driven. Hello, this is my car here. Navy representing.
Okay.
I actually lived here for 5 years. This is my car here. Let's check out my Instagram. And don't forget my shoes.
Oh, she got the fresh joints on, the ones.
So it's at Alejandra.Challenger.
Yep, make
Street
sure y'all give her a
Predators,
follow.
Long Beach.
You already know. And what's your name?
That's my baby Romeo.
What's up, Romeo?
Follow you too.
What's up, man? He's like, what is going on? Nah, it's a dope ride though. I like how you have the red accents and the red touches on the inside. That's dope.
Because we drove
Yo,
in the rain.
It's been raining all week here in Florida,
So it's
Florida
hard
and
to
Jacks.
keep the car clean, literally.
Yeah. All right, so everybody getting in their cars right now. We about to head up to the meet spot. So catch y'all guys when we at the meet. There go. Alright, big dog, you know what I'm saying? You out here, you know what I'm saying? You got shooting the intro and on, you know what I'm saying? Go shout it out, man.
Y'all follow my social media accounts, all of them. Put Mr. Goddamn, you can find me. You know what I'm saying? My boy got the 392 here with the bags. You know, that's my first. This is my first time. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, you said, oh, we got to move it on that.
Hey, I tell everybody I do the busting challenge anytime I go somewhere. Just drop that thing. You know what I'm saying?
It
Be quiet.
Definitely.
Nah, that's what's up, man.
That's different.
This your first time driving a bag charger?
Yeah. My first time I see it on Instagram, online all the time. It's my first time actually being in one. You know what I'm saying?
That's
you know
what's
what I'm saying?
up.
Go ahead and subscribe to my boy. You know
Oh yeah, make sure y'all tune in, man. mr.gotdamnit. Y'all already know what it is, man. I don't know what y'all doing if y'all not.
Jacksonville.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying, showing the love.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We out here, man. Y'all see it. Big dog. Big dog. Big dog. You know what I'm saying?
You just start your own little thing when you just pop up. Yo.
Man, go shout it out, man. Go shout it
Y'all
out.
already know what time it is. It's your boy, One Killer Cat. You can follow me on YouTube and Red Key TV, man. Let's get it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see this thing, man. I'm hoping that I'm talking over all this copyright, man, but y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know how the YouTube thing goes. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Y'all already see. I know y'all tired of seeing my car, but I'm gonna show it to y'all again. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Then we got this wrap thing right here. This thing is big pressure. This thing is dope, yo. Like when the light hits it, it even, I don't know, it flips a little bit. That's super clean. I'm gonna find her somewhere, but right now, you know what I'm saying, this is Harley Quinn's beautiful charger right here, man. She's one of the hosts of this car meet, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see it right here. Make sure y'all follow on IG, you know what I'm saying? This thing is dope. This thing is hard. Like just the detail of this thing, man. Like look at the small details, like how they, instead of just cutting it off, they actually tied it. Bro, that's what I'm talking about right there, man. Attention to detail. Oh no, you good, you good. Y'all already see it. Make sure y'all give them a follow. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, this thing hard too. Yes, sir. I like how he has the little lays over the headlights. That's dope. Make sure you get y'all an Instagram tag right there. Make sure y'all give them a follow. That's hard. That's hard. Alright, so like I said, I was gonna catch up with her. She is one of the hosts of this car meet. I definitely appreciate you guys doing it, you know what I'm saying, for the ladies. It's not often that you see it for the ladies. But what inspired y'all to actually come up with this?
Like the meet?
Yeah.
Really, it was just because we was gonna be up here, and women are not really acknowledged in the car world. So we wanted to show support for each other.
That's what's up. That's what's up. One thing I will say, when the flyer was posted, the biggest thing that stood out to me was the wrap on your car, man. Like, what is the story behind this wrap? Because everybody's wrap has a story. So what's the story behind this wrap? Because like the detail, like I was just talking about it in the video, like generally when you see the two-tone wraps, you always just see a straight line. For you to have it like tied in, almost like lace, and it's just so much detail in this wrap. So what is the actual story behind it?
It's actually kind of more like a love story between me and my husband, so.
Okay. Well, I ain't gonna question too much on it, but that's dope. That's dope. I will say that's probably one of the hardest wraps in the city right now. So, but I will say again, thank you for hosting this thing. I'm gonna let you do your thing. I know I kind of just caught you by surprise by it, but definitely appreciate you. You got anything to say for my viewers?
Just follow me on IG.
All right, bet. I'm gonna show it again just in case people missed it. You know what I'm saying? That's our IG right there. Make sure y'all tune in. And then we got the lovely Miss Hills in a Hemi. Go on, shout it out, man.
What's up? It's Hills in a Hemi, and welcome to the Boss Ladies Car Meet.
For sure. I appreciate you guys. I was just telling Harley Quinn, I appreciate you guys doing this. You know what I'm saying? It's not often that you see ladies get together and actually host something like this.
Yeah.
Y'all already see the turnout is crazy for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, I'm gonna put it on the channel. When I first did, I was like, hey, can the fellas come out? And she gave me the side eye, like, yo, what y'all trying to ruin our meet?
The female drivers go unnoticed. So I'm like, we gotta do something for us female drivers.
Facts.
I had too many. The men are already taking over, so the ladies had to pop out. So
Facts.
I'm like, let me make sure the guys can come first. I kind of figured y'all was gonna crash it anyway after a while.
Hey, but we still paying respects to the ladies, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna ruin y'all meet. Boy, if you don't, you know what I'm saying? And on top of that, it's not often that you see that ladies actually doing this in Jacksonville. Like you see it all over in Georgia, Atlanta, and stuff like that. But for y'all to do it in Jacksonville, that's big respect to y'all. You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all follow her on IG. She is a model. You know what I'm saying? I know you're gonna be at the King of the South car show tomorrow. So
I'll be modeling. Come to y'all favorite model.
For sure. Make sure y'all give her a follow, man. You already know you got my dog out here. Go Shicey, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all
Go_Shicey. GLO_Shicey. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my homeboy channel, Srtfied_392.
Yes, sir. Follow!
What's happening?
Hey, we should. But y'all already know, man, anytime I pull up anyway, y'all see my dog pull up too. Go and shout it out.
Man, if you don't know, here it go. It's your boy Pablo.
Stop it. Get some help.
Nah, man, it's your boy Pablo Savage 392. Whole lot of this, whole lot of that. We out here showing love. Speed Mob, Street Predators. I see some other car clubs, but y'all know me, man. I ain't rocking with nobody unless they rocking with me.
Yes,
so
sir.
That's why I'm gonna leave it.
Yes, sir.
Right
Yes,
there.
sir.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to One Killer Cat.
You know what I'm saying? He was already on there, you know what I'm saying?
He on there. But you know me, I gotta make sure everybody get their blessing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And if you don't get your blessing, it's probably because you hate it.
Facts.
But it sounds good out here, though. It's looking good. Y'all see my boy Sir out here working.
Yes, sir.
I'm working. We trying to get this young nigga to start working.
Hey, he be doing his music thing, though. I'll give him that. He be doing his music thing.
I need help with the YouTube stuff. I don't have patience. I need help from y'all. I need help from y'all.
They do. I will say that.
Like, I can send the footage off that I get, but I need somebody to tip it. You know? It's a free ticket?
Or you get it free with the ticket.
What's this for?
For Onyx, man. Free ticket to get in for Onyx.
Okay.
I'm gonna go, I can't say what I want to do.
We already know. We're gonna leave it right there. Okay, I see you. Yes, sir. Boss is out here, man. You got the Lambo doors on this thing. Big pressure. Make sure y'all tune in, man. Make sure y'all tune in and give them a follow, you know what I'm saying? What's up, big dog? You know what I'm saying? What's happening with you? Where you park at?
I'm over there. I'm
Okay.
in my rental still, man.
Oh, okay, still in the shop.
It should be ready in about 2 or 3 days.
Oh, I thought you were about to say it'll be ready tomorrow for the show.
I wish. I wanted it to be ready in time.
All right, got you. Go shout it out, man.
Yeah. Hey, man. It's Mr. SRT886. Follow my man, Srtfied. Hey, real deal. He's the real deal, my man.
For sure. I appreciate the love, big dog. Yeah. But yeah, y'all see it, man. Got the Lambo doors on here. Boy, it's spinning out here. It smell like straight tires. Burnt tires out here. Y'all see it. Hellcat on Lambo doors. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it. It's up there, man.
I gotta protect them. They ain't ready for this. I can take She might be married already.
So where your whip at? Gonna pull that thing up. I know, gonna pull it up for the video, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta. All you gotta do is pull around. You know what I'm saying? Pull around since y'all the host. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get y'all together. Man, y'all see us out here, man. It's thick out here. Man, big dog, gonna shout it out, man. I'm gonna have to put you on spot. You know what I'm saying? If y'all watch it on the channel, y'all watch my channel.
Big slime 392.
He the one that got me. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? He got me that day. But we gonna run it back. Look, since I got them together, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put 2 of them together in the video, you know what I'm saying? I wanna tell both of y'all thank you to y'all face, you know what I'm saying, for hosting this thing. So, we're gonna see this coming up in the future. We're gonna see more meets coming up. How often y'all trying to do this?
Well, it's gonna be a little difficult because I'm in Jacksonville and she in Miami.
Oh, you came all the way up from Miami for this?
Yeah.
That's dope. So how did y'all end up linking up to be able to do this, especially with her being in Miami?
Well, she was in Miami. Yeah, I was in Miami.
Oh, so you was turning up.
Sure was. I met mr.gotdamnit. We did a video together and everything. And pretty much I just shared one of her pictures and we got to going. They said it was coming out here, so it was like, let's just set up a car meet because, you know, the females go unnoticed in the car scene for real. So it was like, let's put something together and bring the city out.
For sure. Well, I definitely appreciate y'all. Like I said, I ain't gonna hold y'all up. I know y'all gotta attend to the crowd, you know what I'm saying? But big love to y'all. Big love.
Big crowd out here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shocka on the beats. Shocka on the beats. Shocka on the beats.
I'm straight. What's up with you, big dog? I'm straight, man. Go on, shout it out, man.
What's up, man? It's Big Keith, man. Savage MOPAR, man. We just out here, man. We ain't making no noise. I do YouTube sometimes, but hey, I'm gonna get on it though.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, man. Hey, man, I appreciate you, man.
For sure.
What you do, we watch it, man. So, you know
I appreciate that. I definitely appreciate that. Hey, I appreciate it. Go on, shout it out, big dog.
I'm here, man.
For sure. Y'all see them things out here, man.
We just out here a little bit, man. We ain't making no noise. Come on, man. We ain't making
Yeah. Got my dog out here, B345. What's happening with you? Gonna shout it out, man.
345 Beast. Y'all follow your boy, holler at your boy.
Yes, sir.
Y'all follow your boy Srtfied. That boy put down that fire work, boy.
Little slight work, you know what I'm
Y'all
saying?
know how that boy do. Y'all just keep watching, keep following.
For sure. Y'all got anything to shout out, man?
It's your boy Dirty Perk, you hear me? Listen, I'm out here with Srtfied, man. We just having a good time.
For sure. Make sure y'all follow that boy, man. You got anything to shout out? Oh, all right. I got you. Oh, I see that little thing in there. Y'all see him. Getting loose out here, man. I see the barrels pulling up. Since I got you coming out the car, you know what I'm saying? I done see you pull up. Ooh, and the doors go up. Oh yeah, you big pressure out here. You big pressure out here. You're right. I'm so
So you got all the way down and then put the straight close. So you come out, you gotta come out. You gotta come out past this bumper so it can go over the bumper.
Yeah, so you
okay. You don't want to push it into the bumper. So when you push, you got to come out on enough where this can come over the bumper. This ain't over. I don't want to mess it up. Don't want me to
Yo, look how big that joint is.
Oh, it's big. Hey, that's up.
Oh yeah.
You go to bigger again. You go down.
Okay.
Hey, where Andrew at?
His little bulb wasn't working.
Oh, word? Yeah.
That lady yeah.
Boy, straight snapped on that, boy. Hey, you know how to swing that motherfucker, right?
Hey, that's V6 swinger, man.
Hey, I'm about to go in the middle.
Hey, man, don't.
I thought he was gonna hit that curb there for a second, boy. Gato in the building, you know what I'm saying?
I'm not sliding tonight. My
You're not sliding
tires
tonight?
are good. You know, they new tires.
Yeah. I mean, that means you got a little room to, you know what I'm saying, spare. No?
I said these tires too new. These tires too new to be spinning my car out there.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, she gonna grip grip.
I still see rubber on there.
Yeah, I want to keep it that way. The tires expensive.
Yeah, facts.
What?
But y'all see him right there, man. Make sure y'all give him a follow, man.
25s on those.
And as expected, it was only a matter of time before the cops showed up and shut it down. Still dope meat though. It is what it is. All right, so since we are trying to get our way out of here, there's so many cars, yo. So many cars, and these cops they pulled up heavy. They pulled up heavy. Y'all already know how this thing goes, man. It's only a matter of time before stuff like that gets shut down, when people start spinning, you know, doing burnouts and stuff like that. But it was a dope meet nonetheless. And to be honest with you guys, I know y'all probably watching this like, yeah, there we go. You know what I'm saying? People ruining meets. Look, man, at the end of the day, this is the car culture here in Jacksonville. You know what I'm saying? This is how we do, and this is how we get down. And if you come out here expecting not to be entertained, trust and believe, you got something in store for you, because every meet that we have, it always goes live. Always. So, unfortunately, stuff like that doesn't last long. So, I'm actually shocked it lasted as long as it did. But, anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and hashtag salute and certified drip on all your pictures and videos. Yeah, man, today was dope. Definitely dope. So now I gotta go home and get my car ready for the King of the South car show. I gotta take it to the car wash. I got a long night ahead of me. But definitely stay posted for that video, because I got a lot of footage coming up for King of the South. A lot of footage. So, but until next time, YouTube, I hope y'all have a good day.